Hello everyone, you're watching Ardex Goa's News Bulletin with me, Joanna. To begin with, let's take a look at the headlines. Chief Minister should misguide the people of Goa by stating that the mining business in Goa would resume in the month of May, John Fernandez. Members of Goa Rakan Manch threatened to work against the candidates of BJP for upcoming Lok Sabha election if both the candidates do not clear the stand on the MOI issue. Goa Pradesh Congress Committee President demands clarification from Chief Minister over the statement of Forest Minister over Daboli Airport. And students of Kirti Vidyalaya boycott classes over suspension of headmaster. Students' demands of reinstatement of headmaster. And now the news in detail. President of Goa Pradesh Congress Committee John Fernandez said that Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar should not misguide the people of Goa by stating that the mining business in Goa would resume in the month of May, when the verdict on this case is still pending in Supreme Court. He further alleged that Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is responsible for the closure of mining in Goa. Sanjay Munoli reports from Panji for Ardex Goa.
Regarding mining issue, Mr. Parrikar has been blowing hot and cold. Mr. Parrikar took the full credit at a function to receive the award for the best chief minister given by a TV channel. He who stopped the mining in Goa. If he wants to take the credit, he should also take the blame. The unemployment, the mining laborers and the mining sector is going through. I request him not to make irresponsible statements. The matter is in the Supreme Court and it is not appropriate to make contemptuous statements saying that he is going to restart mining in the month of May. And let us see whether Mr. Parrikar is serious of started mining, or Mr. Parrikar wants to fool the people of Goa and the mine owners only to collect funds for the election. In the month of May, immediately month of June comes and monsoon comes, and there cannot be 6 months of mining operations in Goa. So I would request Mr. Parrikar not to fool the people of Goa. If he is serious with restarting the mining, we are with him and we will persuade the central government to fall in line before the Honorable Supreme Court. Whatever is the decision of the Supreme Court, capping and all that, we are not interfering on that. But he should restart the mining which he has stopped by saying that the mining in Goa is legal in assembly as a chief minister. Of course, opposition, he said everything is illegal. So Mr. Parrikar should stop blowing hot and cold and take one consistent stand on Goa mining.
Members of Goa Rakan Manch have threatened to work against the candidate of BJP for upcoming Lok Sabha election if both the candidates do not clear their stand on the MOI issue. The members of Goa Rakan Manch further said that they toppled the Digambar Kamath-led Congress government during the last assembly election for the same reason. Nilesh Naik reports from Ponda for Ardex Goa.
फोण्या मालपावण्या वयली आमची बसका जाली. मुद्दो सारको सादो आसा. नरेंद्र चावयकाराक आनी श्रीपाद नायकाक की तुमचो ह्या माध्यम धोरणाचेर तुमचे विचार सांगा. काल नरेंद्र चावयकारान आपल्यालो मुद्दो सांगला की आपूण ह्या धोरणा फाटल्यान आसा आनी आज श्रीपाद नायकान आपल्या फेसबुक प्रोफायला वयल्यान जाहीर केलां की हें धोरण सारकें आसा. आमची हीच मोख आसा की हे दोगूय जाण उमेदवार तांचे कशे पडटले ह्या लोकसभेच्या इलेक्शनाक हो आमी आमचो हें धरून ही आमची मुखार मोख आसा. BJPन केलां ते कसो यू टर्न आसा. श्रीपाद नायक स्वता आमच्या बरोबर व्यासपीठाचेर येताले आनी आज जो फेसबुकाचेर स्टेटस घातला तो मराठी भाशेंतल्यान घातला. श्रीपाद नायकान स्टेटस बरयला ती भाशा उरतली हो म्हाका तांकां प्रश्न आसा. आज आमी तोच मुद्दो हांगा घेतला. आमी जागृती करतले. स्ट्रीट प्ले, पॅम्पलेट्स, घराघरान फिरून शिगम्याक थंय सुद्दां अवेरनेस करून जागृती करून आमी लोकांक कळयतले की आमची जर संस्कृती, आमची नाटकां, शिगमे, भजनां ही जर आमकां उरपा जाय जाल्यार आमकां आमची भाशा सांबाळून दवरची पडटली. आमची मुखार सांग्यार बसका आसा, काणकोण बसका जातली, मडगांव बसका रोखडीच जातली. चाय पे चर्चा और कदेल पे मोर्चा हो जो आमी कार्यक्रम फोंडेच्यान सुरवात केल्या तो काणकोण, मडगांव, कुडचड्यार आनी सान्यार ह्या आठवड्या भितर जातलो.
President of Goa Pradesh Congress Committee John Fernandez demanded clarification from Chief Minister over the statement made by Forest Minister Alina Saldanha over Daboli Airport. Forest Minister in a recent speech had said that Daboli Airport should be freed from Navy. Sanjay Munoli reports from Panji for Ardex Goa.
We know that Daboli Airport has been developed as a futuristic airport. Navy has acquired, Government of India has acquired 450 acres of land at Belgaum because it is a hinterland. Daboli Airport will be solely used for civil aviation operations, and we want Navy to be in Goa, but we protest statement Mrs. Alina Saldanha that Navy should be packed from Goa. Mrs. Alina Saldanha is nothing but her master's voice. We should not be made to believe that she is also holding Portuguese nationality because the statement, anti-national statement. We want Navy to be at Daboli. I want a response on this issue from Mr. Pariyakar, whether he agrees with the statement made by Alina Saldanha vis-a-vis the Navy should be packed from Daboli.
Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Comfortable stay, presidential and executive suites, essentials, safety of your belongings, modern baths, showers and jacuzzi, $25 conference room, one-up lounge bar with disco lights and DJ music. Restaurant managed by Mumbai's famous Uncle's Kitchen, tasty and tantalizing dishes. Cable TV screens, all in friendly and air-conditioned environment at Amunkar's Boutique Hotel, DB Bandodkar Road, Miramar, Panji, Goa.
Emotion, one-stop location for all your needs. A huge collection of custom gifts for your family and friends. Shop for any occasion, weddings, birthdays, anniversary and much more. Express your deepest love with a thoughtful gift from our store. Unique and creatively designed gifts, only at Emotions.
सोबीत दिसचे अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजी. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
चांदण्यात फिरताना माझा
धुंद चांदण्या रात्री, रोमांच रोम अनगात्री, लाघवी तुझे स्मित, छेडती नवे गीत, चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. या माझ्या स्वप्न महाली क्षण रंगले मन तंगले, जादू तुझ्या स्पर्शाची मी प्रेम रंगी रंगले. उमलली नवी एक प्रीत, चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. आतिथ्य आणि स्मित म्हणजेच हॉटेल चंद्रगीत. आरामदायी प्रशस्त एअर कंडिशन खोल्या, केबल टीव्ही, शॉवरची सोय, मध्यवर्ती ठिकाण पणजी म्हापसा महामार्गावर पदवरी गोवा इथे हॉटेल चंद्रगीत.
अंकल आप ठीक तो हो ना?
बेटा थैंक यू. ये क्या है?
कुछ नहीं अंकल, अभी ब्लड डोनेट करके आई हूँ.
बेटा तुम्हें तो बहुत कमजोरी महसूस होती होगी.
कोई कमजोरी नहीं अंकल, हर 3 महीने में करती हूँ.
अच्छा.
नेकी के लिए पहलवान नहीं इंसान होना जरूरी है. रक्तदान कीजिए, कमजोरी नहीं होती, शरीर उस खून को जल्दी बना लेता है.
सोचिए मत, करके देखिए, अच्छा लगता है.
Welcome back. Kirti High School of Sholimits once got into a controversy. A tussle between the school management and headmaster a few weeks back had brought the school in limelight. Headmaster and his wife, who is working as the head clerk at the school, had filed a complaint against the school management for harassment. Later, the management had tagged the entire scene as well planned drama. The tussle between the management and headmaster has now resulted in suspension of the headmaster Suryakant Naik. The suspension of the headmaster has resulted in boycotting of classes by the students. Students have demanded reinstatement of the headmaster. Until then, the students have decided to boycott the classes. The fight between the management versus headmasters is hampering the studies of children. When inquired with the chairman of school's management, he said that despite of suspension, headmaster comes to the school and instigate and evoke students for boycott. Looking at the current scenario, it seems like the government will have to interfere into this matter and bring the situation under control. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Sholim for RDX Goa.
हेडमास्टराक आमच्या कीर्ती विद्यालयाचो हेडमास्टर पळय सूर्यकांत बी नायक एका सस्पेंड केलो मॅनेजमेंटाक. सस्पेंड जावन सुद्दां इस्कॉलान येता आनी आमच्या स्टाफाक नाकाले इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिता आनी ते दीस आमचो पिवन आसलो ताका तेणें येवन मारलो थंयसर आनी धांवडून घातलो इस्कॉलांतलो. भुरग्यांक तो चाळोवन घालता थंयसर. एसएसचे भुरगे पळय जे आतां क्लासीक बी नासता पळय ताका फोन करून सुद्दां भुरगे आफयता म्हणून. मॅनेजमेंटान स्टाफा वांगडा मिटींग घेतल्या, इवन पेरंट्सा वांगडा उलयला. नेव तुमकां हेडमास्टर आहा पळय तो पळय सिनियर टीचर आहा पळय ते स्कूल सद्या मॅनेज करतले म्हणून.
भुरगे भायर पावता तांकां रिस्पॉन्सिबल म्हणून क्लासीक बॉयकॉट करता.
ना ते आतां म्हाका ना बॉयकॉट करता पळय क्लासीक बॉयकॉट करता गेटी भायर भुरगे कोण भायर सराना.
ना गेट ओपन आसा तुमची कोण मनीस नासलो पळोवपाक.
Former Minister and ex-MLA of Aldona constituency Dayanand Narvekar on Friday resigned from the Congress party. He declared his resignation in a press conference held at Mapsa. I am a Congress since 1980 and I have been giving suggestions to party on social schemes time and again. The upset congressman had written a letter to the Vice President of party Mr. Rahul Gandhi to include the suggestions in party's manifesto, filling to which he shall render his resignation. Party did not include the suggestions, nor he received any reply. Narvekar has now sent his official resignation to the president of party. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Mapsa for RDX Goa.
Tomorrow I want to have one meeting in suppose in Mapsa. That means I have to go to Mapsa. If I want to have a meeting in Poroli or in Penji, I have to go to Panji. Madgaon, I have to go to Digambar Gaon. This is the democracy of this government. All the best to them. Those who talk of transparency or something, they should also think at what stage and what level arrogance is coming down to even at the level of MLA. The officers of executive level are saying on record that these are our instructions. We cannot give you an NOC for holding public meeting on a public ground done by Dayanand Narvekar, the ex-MLA of Puri. So, I am resigned from that party as of this day. I resign on that day, my dear. Somebody could have come and asked me to withdraw resignation. Other issue consider ki na kar. These are resignation letter which is enclosed. So you should understand that it is on that day. If you read forwarding letter, it is a threat to resign. I agree with you. But then there are two enclosure. One is budget speech and one is resignation. I don't know whether he has even received it. My door to the door of Sonia Gandhi is close to him. Because my big leader, Digambar ji, who made Congress Digambar, made everybody Digambar, and who himself is a Digambar, not only by name but by action. As he is the biggest रोटो म्हणजे कीड म्हणटा पळय ती काँग्रेसीक लागली. ती काँग्रेस हांगासून दिल्ली पर्यंत गल्ली पर्यंत काँग्रेस सोपली. आय एम नॉट सपोर्टर ऑफ मोदी. दॅट ऑल्सो आय एम टेलिंग यू. प्लीज डोंट बी अंडर इम्प्रेशन दॅट इफ आय क्रिटिसाइज मोदी आय एम सपोर्टर and criticize Congress. I am not supporting Modi. Digvijay Singh calls me to the office. I said, forget about you. Who are you? Come to my house. Talk to me. Then he sent some Challaram.
Fathoda MLA Vijay Sardesai has criticized BJP by saying that BJP broke the record of Congress in terms of scandals. He further alleged that minister and leaders of BJP are indulged in various scams, and despite of it, the opposition is quiet on this matter. Mandar Naik reports from Margao for RDX Goa.
So, issue of governance म्हणटातून एक जाता की टुरिझम मिनिस्टरान आतां म्हणिल्लें आहा की ताजेर तो निर्दोश आहा, ताजेर कांय चार्जीस ना. पूण एक क्लियर कट म्हणूं येता की ही इज इन द लायन ऑफ फायर एट द मोमेंट. तशें ताजे बरोबर स्पीकर आहा, डेप्युटी स्पीकर आहा, हेल्थ मिनिस्टर आहा, हेल्थ मिनिस्टर फॉर नीट एडमिशन्स or for land grab there. ताजेर आमचो स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर आहा, ताजेर उटाची केस आहा, नाजाल्यार आतां बिल्डिंग कॉलेप्स जाला तातूंत करून ताका मिडल ऑफ सस्पिशन ताजेर येता. सो तशें पळोवपाक गेलें जाल्यार हें परिवर्तनान काँग्रेसीचो रिकॉर्ड मोडिल्लो आहा. आनीक इतले आसून पसून आमची प्रिन्सिपल ऑपोजिशन पार्टी ओग्गी आहा. सेंटराचे हांवें पेपरार वाचना की कन्व्हेन्शन सेंटर कॅन्सल जालें म्हणून. इज दीस कॉल्ड कन्सल्टेटिव्ह अप्रोच ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट? अरे आमी असेंब्लीन रेज करून हे कन्व्हेन्शन सेंटर हें जाल्लें, ह्या आदल्या सरकारान पास केल्लें. जेन्ना कॅन्सल जाता हांवें पेपरार वाचपाचें, तुमी आमकां विचारप ना. आतां म्हाका आयकूंक येता की हें डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल बिल्डींग आहा ती एडिशनल तांकां स्पेस जाय टू हावज द पयलीं PPP प्रोजेक्ट, एंड दॅट इज वाय इवन दीस लँड मे गो, बिकॉज नाव दे कांट एक्वायर न्यू लँड्स अंडर द न्यू लँड एक्विजिशन एक्ट. इज बिकमिंग डिफिकल्ट. सो आई एम नॉट श्योर वेदर द टूरिझम मिनिस्टर इज अवेअर what is going to happen of that project.
Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
कसलोय समारंभ आसूं वा कसलोय सुवाळो आसूं, सगळ्यांची एकूच पसंत. संजय फॅशन सेंटर. रेडीमेड सूट, शेरवानी, कुर्तास आणि लग्न सोहळ्याचे कपडे तुमच्या गरजेप्रमाण आम्ही ऑर्डर घेतात. संजय फॅशन सेंटर, सिंडिकेट बँके लागी बेती.
सलोनी लेडीज वेयर. A new extension store of Sanjay Fashion Center, specialist in kurtis, jeans, dress material and innerwear. Next to Police Outpost, Betim, Bardes, Goa. Contact 777-3927-152.
Mallikarjun Caterers. We accept soft drinks, ice creams, veg and non-veg buffet orders for weddings, birthdays and other occasions. We also undertake pandal and stage decorations with lightings. Contact Anand Bandekar, Pansolem, Concon, Goa. Phone number 3130-178, 9823-524014 or 9405-166141. Mallikarjun Caterer.
सांभाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांभाळतलो?
राखपाक गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो?
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय, म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
हांव सांभाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांभाळतलो?
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजीक आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात.
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो.
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा, पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळटलो.
राखपा गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो.
ही माती लागता मोजी माय म्हाका तिची अपुरबाय.
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो. कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो.
दिल या साथी चाहे कुछ भी कहे, जो कॉन्डम का साथ न छोड़े वही है मुकद्दर का सिकंदर.
Welcome back. Development work in Aldona constituency are carried one by one with a great speed, said Aldona MLA Glenn Ticklow. He was speaking after initiating the work of construction of 260 meters long retaining wall at Nashnola. The cost of the said work is estimated to 24 lakh, he added.
आमच्या नॅशनल गावान कापरी पाट जेजेवाडो ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट 260 मीटर्स रिटर्निंग वॉल काम तब्येत चालू आताले. ताजो एस्टिमेट ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट 24 lakhs आसा. सो हे सगळे काम आमी आयज खूप काम अशी चालू आसा आमच्या मतदारसंघात. कित्याक कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट जाल्ले आसा आनी आमचे PW मिनिस्टर एज वेल एज आमचे फायनान्स मिनिस्टर तांच्यांनी आमी ते फायली पुश करून जातूंतल्यान बेगीन खूप कामां चालू केल्ली आसा. कित्याक एकदां कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट आयलो मागीर कामां फुडें जायना. सो देर लॉट ऑफ वर्क दॅट इज हॅपनिंग एंड आय एज अ MLA एंड आय होप द पीपल ऑफ माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी आर हॅपी दॅट दिस वर्क्स हॅव बीन कंटिन्युअसली गोइंग ऑन.
Ponda Carnival Committee will celebrate this year's carnival on 2nd March, informed the chairperson of Ponda Municipal Council, Radhika Naik. Whereas the second carnival competition organized by Tourism Department at Shiroda will be held on 3rd March, informed Industries Minister and local MLA Mahadev Naik. Nilesh Naik reports from Ponda for Artex Goa.
पहिलेच फाटी कार्निवालाक सुरू झाली. हे दुसरे वर्ष जावन आसा. शिरोड्यान अशा प्रकारचो कार्निवाल जावचो ही लोकांची सगळ्या लोकांची एक जबरदस्त मागणी आशिल्ली. ती मागणी हांव मंत्री जाले ते बरोबर आमच्या सरकारान पूर्ण केली. गोवा टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट जे आसा ताच्या माध्यमांतल्यान शिरोड्यान आता दुसरे फावटे कार्निवालाचे 3 तारखेक शिरोड्या कार्निवाल जावचो आसा 3 मार्चाक. ही कार्निवालाची मिरवणूक जी आसा ती शिरोडेच्या पोलीस स्टेशना कडल्यान सुरू जातली आनी तेजो शिरोड्या बाजारान ताची सांगाता जातली.
The 4th year running, Ponda Municipal Council will be organizing the carnival celebrations in the town of Ponda. फोंड्यान सदा पयली शिगमो जातालो नेटान, पण 4 वर्सां जाली आतां कार्निवलूय आमी सेलिब्रेट करपाक लागल्या. And government is extending their assistance to Ponda for the celebration of carnival.
We are starting one day before in Ponda. Instead of first, we are having a pre-28th. We'll have one traditional हेडतियाज. हेडतियाज म्हणल्यार ते पयलीं पळय कार्नावाल जाताले तसलो हेडतियाज आमी सांताक्रूज पयलो चालू करतले फॉर सॅटरडे. We will start it at 6:30 on the 28th evening. That is on the third day, we are having an intercollegiate folk dance competition. The program will start at Aguiar grounds at 6:30 till about 8:30. Distributed will be around 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs earlier it was 3,75,000. Well, they have got 6 categories. And these 6 categories, these 3,75,000 earlier used to be distributed. Now 5 lakhs will be distributed in these 6 categories.
Before we wind up, here's a recap of the headlines. Chief Minister should misguide the people of Goa by starting that the mining business in Goa would resume in the month of May, John Fernandez. Members of Goa Rakat Manch threatened to work against the candidates of BJP for upcoming Lok Sabha election if both the candidates do not clear the stand on the MOI issue. Goa Pradesh Congress Committee President demands clarification from Chief Minister over the statement of Forest Minister over Daboli Airport. And students of Kirti Vidyalaya boycott classes over suspension of headmaster. Students' demands of reinstatement of headmaster. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.